Hello everyone, welcome to Zimi Studio. In this tutorial, we will learn how to cut or split videos using Filmora. So, let's get started. Open Filmora Video Editor. Click on the plus icon to import videos. Drag and drop a video in the timeline. Click Match to Media. Extend the video clip. Now move the red line until where you want to cut. Now click on the scissors icon. As you can see, the video is split into two parts. To delete the split apart, select and right-click. Here you can see the options Delete and Ripple Delete. To cut the video into different parts, move the red line. Now click on the scissors icon. Do the same process as much as you need parts to cut. Select and delete them. If you have two videos in the timeline, select the video which you want to split. If you want to split both videos at the same time, just click on the off side of clips. Now click on the scissors icon. You can see that both clips are split at the same time. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.